Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make stickers on Snapchat, and that's pretty easy. So open your Snapchat app and go to your camera option and select the object that you're going to make stickers and take a photo of it. And here you can see a scissor option. You just need to tap on here. And in here you see you're going to make a stickers, and you can choose any of the shape that are showing in the below. And you just need to tap the option done. As you can see, our sticker is made and it's already saved. So how can you use these stickers and how you will find this one? So to find these stickers and to use these stickers, I just need to select any of your photos, or you can choose any of the surface. And you just need to tap on the sticker option, and here you just need to go to the scissor icon, and in here you'll find out all of your stickers that you have made. And you can always use these stickers according to your necessary. So there's a process how we can make a stickers on Snapchat and how we can use it. So that's all for today's. Hope this video may helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and keep in touch with us.